Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use PDFs for presentations. Using a PDF for your presentation offers significant advantages, ensuring your slides look identical on any computer or operating system. You avoid common formatting headaches, like fonts changing or images shifting, which can often happen with other presentation software. This universal compatibility and consistent display make PDFs a reliable choice for professional settings. When converting your presentation, always use your software's Save as PDF or Export as PDF feature. This method preserves your layout and design much better than printing to PDF. Confirm that all fonts are embedded. This prevents text substitution on other computers. Additionally, aim for a balanced file size, perhaps less than 20 megabytes, ensuring quick loading without compromising visual clarity during your presentation. For a professional look, always present your PDF in full screen mode, which removes distracting interface elements. Most PDF viewers, like Adobe Acrobat Reader, offer this option, typically activated by pressing Ctrl-L or Command-L. Navigate effortlessly using your keyboard's arrow keys or by clicking on the document's embedded bookmarks. This ensures smooth transitions, allowing your audience to stay focused on your content without interruptions. You can enhance your PDF presentation by adding hyperlinks, allowing you to jump to websites or specific sections within your document seamlessly. Many PDF editors also let you temporarily annotate directly onto the slides during your talk, which is great for emphasizing key points or answering questions. Remember to test all interactive elements thoroughly before your presentation to guarantee they function as expected, especially if you have over 10 links.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.